Hi, Martin here, and are you creating a document in Canva? You've added an image, but you've got this ugly background that just doesn't look great. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly get rid of that background in Canva. So let's get started. Okay, so here I am. I have a Canva document open with a colored background. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and upload the image that I want to add. So I'll go to upload files, pictures, and I'm going to choose my dog over here. So that's being uploaded over on the left hand side. So I'm going to click to add it to my image. So the really important part in Canva is that the ability to remove the background is part of Canva Pro. Okay, so Canva Pro does have a cost attached to it. It is, however, if you're a teacher, then you can get Canva Pro for free. So it's free for all educators and students. But just bear that in mind that the method I'm going to show you does require Canva Pro. So with that being said, I've got my image over here. So what I'm going to do is click on Edit Image here in the top left-hand corner of this editing pane and click Edit Image. So here you can see all of the different options that I have for editing my image. So we can see the one we're going to look for is BG Remover, so background remover, and you can see that it has this little crown in the bottom right hand corner, so that means it's a pro feature. So you can see some of these features here are a pro feature. Something like just adding a filter doesn't have the icon, so that means that can be used if you're on the free or on the pro. So what we're going to do is click on background remover, and what we should magically see is that that background that was around a dog has now disappeared. I can go ahead and hit that edit image, and now I can move my dog around freely without the background and make it look exactly how I want. So there you have it. Literally a couple of button clicks and you can remove the background of your image in Canva. I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.